Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to delete PayPal accounts permanently. So actually guys, all you need to do is to visit the PayPal.com website on your browser, and after that just log into your account. Right, so just let's go with the login that's located on the top right, and after that just fill the blanks with your PayPal's information. And after you sign in, as you can see, you will need to click on the gear icon that's located between the notifications and disconnect. So just go ahead and click on it. And after that, you will need just scroll down all the way down, and here you can see the close your accounts option. So just go ahead and click on close your account. So actually guys, to close your account, you will need to complete all the tasks below. So actually it says right here, we will begin our study once you have completed all the required tasks below. So actually guys, you will need to give your identity and your bank informations at first to PayPal, and after that you will be allowed to delete or close your accounts permanently. So that's it everybody, thank you so much for watching and goodbye.